Hello, Happy New Year, and welcome back to the Bliss Crystals channel. As we step into the new year, it is the perfect time to set intentions, manifest your dreams, and embrace fresh, vibrant energy. Today, I'll guide you through the best crystals for a fresh start, how to use them, manifestation techniques, and some powerful affirmations to align with your goals. So grab a cozy drink, your favorite journal, and let's dive in. Crystals are incredible tools for focusing your intentions and amplifying your energy. Here are my top picks for a fresh start. Clear Quartz is known as the Master Healer. It amplifies your intentions and clears away energetic clutter. It is the perfect crystal for manifesting any goal. It is used worldwide in microchips and electronics because it conducts energy, but it literally conducts metaphysical energy as well. Citrine. This sunny stone radiates joy, abundance, and success. Citrine is your go-to for manifesting wealth, abundance, confidence, and new opportunities. Amethyst helps release old habits and brings clarity to your intentions. It's a wonderful ally for spiritual growth and healing. Labradorite. This mystical, flashy stone clears away old energy and helps you connect to your intuition. Perfect for starting fresh. Smoky quartz is a grounding crystal that releases negativity, helping you leave behind anything that no longer serves you. Malachite is a powerful stone for transformation and growth. It helps you break through limitations, embrace change, and step confidently into new opportunities. Its vibrant green energy encourages balance and emotional healing. Obsidian. For grounding and letting go of the past, Obsidian helps you cut energetic cords and make space for the new. It is also a filter for negativity. Selenite, for cleansing negative energy from yourself, your crystals, and your space. Pure white light energy is embodied in this moonlight crystal, perfect for creating your fresh blank slate. Once you've chosen your crystals, cleanse them to ensure they're ready for your intentions. The selenite bowl is the perfect tool to cleanse your crystals. Simply place your tumblestones, palm stones, or points in your selenite bowl and leave overnight. You can also wave a selenite wand over them. You can smudge them with a sage, or you can use sound vibration cleansing. Now let's talk about how to use these crystals to manifest your wishes. Here are a few simple techniques. Meditation. Hold your crystal while meditating. Visualize your goals as if they've already come true. For example, see yourself thriving in a new job, relationship, or mindset. Journaling with crystals. Place your crystal beside your journal as you write down your intentions. Begin each sentence with, I am grateful for, or I am prosperous, I am statements, as if your dreams have already manifested. Create a crystal grid with your stones. Place a point or tower such as amethyst or clear quartz in the center to amplify your intentions, and arrange other crystals around it in a pattern that resonates with you. The purpose of making a grid is to use your creativity and intuition to intentionally work with the crystal's energy. There is no right or wrong way. You can watch any of my gridding tutorials here on YouTube for more information. Carry your crystals with you while you're on the go. Keep your crystals close to you in a pocket, purse, or as jewelry to remind you of your goals throughout the day. Affirmations are a wonderful way to align your energy with your desires. Here are some affirmations to inspire you. I release the past and embrace the endless possibilities of the future. I am open to new opportunities and trust the journey ahead. Abundance, joy, and success flow to me effortlessly. I am worthy of achieving my dreams. Remember to repeat these affirmations daily while holding your crystals. Feel their energy amplifying your words. Remember, the power of manifestation begins with you and your intentions. These crystals are here to support and amplify your energy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and share your New Year's goals in the comments. I'd love to read them. To find any of these crystals or extra guidance, please visit us at blisscrystals.com. I'm sending you love, light, and crystal blessings.